highlight for all of us is time back. It's allowing children and adults to take mundane tasks off the table so that we can learn the important things and do the important things. And I think that's where the whole model is so brilliant.
It supports the education on how to use those tools for good. And it's the environment that we're all growing into right now, right? So we're really setting our kids up for success.
A lot of our friends whose kids go to the top schools in the city, and they come home, they have hours of homework, they have additional tutors, and it's like, for what? Where is the time to be a child anymore? That gives no space for that. So
yeah, there's no homework required at Alpha, but from what I've heard, all the students want to go home and keep pursuing those passions, so they're creating their own homework in a way that makes sense for them. They're engaged, they're excited.